Hi guys! So it's been a hot minute since I last made a video. I'm so sorry guys. Ang hirap talaga if you're a working mom. And yung baby boy ko he's 9 months na, going to 10. He's doing really well. He's a very happy baby. But anyway, today's video is for you. So for my comeback video, this is the Squad Cosmetics Lip Blush Blurring Lip Blush. So meron akong isa na tinry and I've been using this for 2 weeks na. Hindi naman araw-araw, hindi naman tuloy-tuloy, but every now and then when I want something na matte, non-drying, pigmented, and really nice sa lips na meron talagang blurring effect. And mind you guys, I feel like this is so underrated. Katulad ng Detail Cosmetics Lip Leisure, that is so nice din. Ang ganda sa lips, merong blurring effect, matte, pero hindi nakaka-dry. And itong lip blush, parang ganon, but this is more for everyday. Yung Lip Leisure kasi na Detail Cosmetics, they're super pigmented and extra creamy. I feel like it's more on pupunta kayo sa mall, may date ka, yung mga ganyan. Pero for everyday na papasok ka sa work, this is a more everyday friendly option. I have 6 shades, pero they have so many other shades. 6 lang yung kinuha ko because again, I don't wanna collect and hoard products that I'm not going to use. So as much as possible, kinuha ko yung mga shades na I feel like based sa photos, I feel like it's gonna look good on me and I'm going to reach for it on a daily basis. Pero ngayon pa lang sinasabi ko na highly recommend this product. I do recommend this product. Get this product. It's so affordable. Oh my god, magkano siya ngayon? It's just $199. And then parang 7/7 sale pa, magkakaroon pa ng discount yan. Sa TikTok, may lagi may discount dun eh. So, wala pang 200 pesos isa and it's 3.5 grams. Pwede na for 200 pesos. Oo, para naman maubos mo siya, 'di ba? Para naman hindi ka bibili ng marami, tapos sobrang dami, hindi mo naman mauubos. Dahil ganoon talaga ang advocacy ko ngayon, day. Okay, so isabay ko na ang pagre-review at pag-swatch. So the first shade that I have is called Blushing Nude and it's a rosy nude daw. Kita niya ba? It really reminds me of Detail Cosmetics Lip Leisure, but the consistency is mas manipis and mas lightweight, but they have the same itsura na blurring, matte, at kahit matte siya, hindi siya nakaka-dry ng lips. Since hindi siya singkapal ng Lip Leisure, may mga shades na yung opacity is just around 80%, not really 100%. This is Blushing Nude, and it is a true rosy nude. I feel like merong mga skin tones aangat yung pagka-warm rose, pero may mga skin tones na magmumukha siyang a little bit on the peachy side. Nonetheless, it's a very beautiful, nakakaganda lang na shade. So yeah, this is Blushing Nude. Ooh, longevity. This stays on, for me in my experience, this stays on like a extra powerful lipstick. Mababawasan pa rin siya, matatanggal pa rin siya pag kumain ka o pag uminom ka. Does leave a very tiny stain. Not so much. And madali siyang tanggalin, which is okay. Lalo na if you're the type of person na you don't mind reapplying throughout the day. Tanggalin mo lang yung old coat and then put a new one. Kasi unlike halimbawa yung sa Maybelline Superstay, kapag kunwari natanggal na yung inner and you wanna reapply, hindi pwedeng patungan mo yung old coat because mag-ano siya, magka-crack or it's gonna feel super dry. At least ito, madali siyang tanggalin ng tissue or ng wet wipes and then you can reapply a new coat. Next shade natin, ito ba siya natatakot ako dito. First time ko lang itatry ito. Ni-swatch ko siya sa hita ko. Sa hita talaga. And nakakatakot siya. This is the shade Terra Dream. Also, do not apply this if you have dry, chapped lips. As much as possible, exfoliate. Wait, ulitin ko pag-apply. It's my fault. Masyado ako nagpacker-packer. Take 2. Let me concentrate and not talk. Okay, so this is Terra Dream one coat. I really want to use it to its full potential, so ayusin kayo sa taas. Okay, ito na. Tapat na po yan. This particular shade is quite patchy. Nakadalawang apply na ako pero medyo patchy talaga siya ilagay. I'm not sure if it's because of the batch that I got or hindi naman siguro my skill because I applied correctly naman. Pero ang ganda pa naman niya. It is brownie. In my skin tone, kita naman yung pagka-brown niya, pero I feel like there will be skin tones na may tendency na baka magmukha siyang mga lawang. Kasi sa akin parang malapit-lapit ng mga lawang eh. Alam mo yung mga lawang na medyo grayish? Oo, parang ganon. Pero meron namang mga skin tones na it's going to look gorgeous. But anyway, this is Terra Dream. Okay, so mapunta naman tayo sa red. I have 2 reds here. The first one is called Cherry Crush. And this is a sweet red daw. one layer, puckered. It's like a lip tint red, the classic lip tint red. A full potential natin. By the way guys, it's so tiny, diba? And this doesn't have the most comfortable applicator. But for $1.99, pwede na. Matigas siya, which is for me matibay. Hindi yung bigla na lang matutuklap, masyusyunggal ng ganon. So this is Cherry Crush on my lips. Semi Snow White Red. It's really nice for everyday. Ito yung klase ng red na ang lakas makaaliwalas ng face. Hindi siya yung parang red. May mga reds kasi na parang nakakatanda. This one, Witchy Kels. Parang feeling ko umangat yung features ko. Parang ganyan. Although it does look a classic lip tint red, pero ganda. Highly recommend this shade. Next shade that I have is called Darling Ruby. Ito yung ginagamit ko for 2 weeks na. I am so in love with this shade, you guys. Pag naubos ka ta, I will repurchase, definitely. So this is Darling Ruby on my lips. It is much deeper than Cherry Crush. Mas mature ika nga. Pero hindi pa rin, it's deep, pero hindi pa rin siya yung nakakatanda. Mukha pa rin naman akong fresh. Sa mirror, tinitingnan ko, mukha pa rin naman akong fresh. Mukha pa rin naman akong bata-bata. Pero ang gusto ko kasi dito, if you know someone na super pigmented yung lips, blessed by God to have super pigmented lips, ganito yon. So, pwede mong pikiin ang pagkakaroon ng super pigmented lips. Highly recommended itong shade ito. Maganda siya if you use it one layer and then you pucker, or you use it like full pack like I did. Hi. So, I am down to the last 2 shades. And these shades, you guys, are berry shades. So, unahin natin si Berry Sorbet muna. One swipe puckered. So, this is Berry Sorbet on my lips. Hindi ko alam kung nare-register sa camera. Pero, in person, kita-kita mo na it's magenta. It's like red and violet with a little bit of pink together. Haluin mo yon, you get this shade. I feel like it's also a classic lip tint, pero yung parang magenta lip tint. Pero maganda rin siya. Lalo na kung bet mo yung mga magenta shades. This is the shade for you. Berry Sorbet. So yeah, this is Berry Sorbet. Last shade that I have, and I do believe this is the deepest shade, Crimson Kiss. Wait lang ha. Ito siya, 1 layer. Dito para sa mga pabebe. 50-50. Magenta and red. Tas konting brown. Pero meron siyang tendency na maging patchy in a way. So this is good if 1 layer and then you just pucker. Pero pag if full pakak mo siya, medyo baka doon mag-manifest yung pagiging patchy niya. But again, I'm not sure if it's just the batch that I got. And I did not experience that dun sa mga lighter shades. But I'm not discouraging you to get this shade. Again, this could be still effective if 1 layer and then pucker. Or baka meron kang batch na makuha na mas bongga pagkaka-mix. Also, I forgot to mention, ang isa pa pinakaiba niya kay Lip Leisure is the Lip Leisure, it's on the creamier side. Pero this one is parang creamy but gelatinous. Medyo may pagka-jelly siya. Pero honestly guys, for $1.99, I cannot complain. I get a matte and it has a blurring effect. Pero again, do not apply this if you have dry chappy lips. Exfoliate your lips, hydrate yourself para maging flawless yung canvas na a-applyan. Using these lip blushes or other lip products. Also, the deeper the shade, the mas bonggang tint ang iniiwan. So, somehow, that's a plus point. Mamaya na yan. But anyway, guys, abangan nyo every now and then nagkakaroon sila ng sale. Go to TikTok or to Shopee. More than Lazada. Kasi sa Shopee may mga vouchers. Si TikTok laging naka-sale. Si Lazada medyo madamat sa sale tsaka sa vouchers. Diba? Aminin niyo, parang ganun yung dynamics ng mga platforms nowadays. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Very, very quick lang. Pero asahan nyo more videos to come. More lip swatch and blush swatch. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so you would know kapag meron akong bagong upload na video. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.